Right. So to evaluate means to find a numerical answer, right? Like 6, 8, -2, and so on. So here we want to evaluate each of these. So if I have 3 squared, that's 3 times 3, 9. Okay? 18 times 2, right? I evaluate 36. Okay? 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. That gives us 8. Here I have 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. Remember, I need to do a common denominator, right? And between the 2 and the 4, the common denominator will be a 4. So I multiply by 2 here. So I get 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. And that's 1 over 4. Okay? All right. Now, let's talk about order of operations. What we do first. So first, we do parentheses and grouping symbols. Now, parentheses can come in, or grouping symbols can come in different shapes. So I have parentheses like this. I have brackets. These are called square brackets. I can have curly brackets. A square root is actually a grouping symbol. A fraction bar is actually also a grouping symbol. Okay? Now, so first you do everything inside the grouping symbols or the parentheses. Then you do the exponents. After that, multiply and divide from left to right, and then add and subtract from left to right, right? And you probably heard the acronym PEMDAS, right? Yes? So look at this one. So it's parentheses, exponents, then multiply and divide together in one shot, add and subtract together in one shot. Okay? Okay. So here, what am I going to do first? Multiply. So this is going to be 22 plus 21, and that will be 43. Okay. So here too, I have 12 minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2, and that'll be 10. Here, 10 plus, I do this first, 8 squared, 64, minus 16. And now I have to do, left to right, so 74 minus 16. So I do this in my head, 74 minus 10, 64, minus 6, 58. Okay, what do we do first here? 12 minus 6. 6 times 5 squared, yeah. So this is 6 times 25. We can do that in our head, right? What's 4 25s? 100, and then 2 more is 50, so 150. Okay. Here, parentheses first. 77 minus multiplication, 72. Then I subtract and I get a 5. How are we doing so far? Good? Oh boy, look at this one, right? So I have, first I'm going to do the grouping symbols. But I go here, I have brackets. Inside I have parentheses. Inside I have exponents, right? So this is going to be 108 divided by, I'm not changing anything so far, 3 times 9 plus, I do the exponent first. 3 squared, 9. Huh? Right. So now I went inside the parenthesis and I saw an exponent, right? I'm still working. So I am working the parentheses. But inside the parentheses, what do I have? 9 plus 3 squared. So I do the square first, then the 9 plus. Okay. So now I'm going to get 108 divided by 3 times 18. Oh, can we do 3 times 18 mentally?
Yeah.
Oh boy, look at you guys. It's 54. And then what's 108 divided by 54? 2. Yeah. Yep. I still get 54, so yeah. Yep, good. Okay. So remember what we said, a fraction bar also acts as a grouping symbol, right? So when you have a fraction bar, it's like you do the numerator separately, denominator separately. So look at this one. I'm going to show you guys the best trick I have, right? When you have a fraction bar like this, always do equals and a fraction. Keep that fraction intact, okay? So in the numerator here, I have 10. And then I have 9 times 4. So this will be 10 over 36. Okay? What will that be? Can I divide both of them by the same number? By 2. So I get 5 over 18. Okay? All right. So remember, for these, you must reduce your answers. Okay. Here, let's make the fraction bar. So first, 36 minus 8. Here, I do parentheses first. 4 times 10. Right? So I work the top separately, the bottom separately. So in the numerator here, I get 28 over 40. What common number can I divide both of them by? 4. So I get 7 over, yeah. Okay? Okay. Ooh, look at this one. Okay, so I have 12 minus, okay, let's do this fraction. Numerator, 6. Denominator, 3. Plus 4 times the exponent, 4. 12 minus, what does 6 over 3 give me? 2. Plus 4 times 4 is 8, right? Do you see how I did multiplication and division first, left to right? Right? So first I did a division and then a multiplication. I haven't added or subtracted yet. Now I'm going to do that. Yeah.
4 times 4 is 16.
You're right. It is 16. When did they change that? It was always 8. Is that a...
4 plus 4.
That's 4 plus 4. Boy, was I wrong on that one. So what does this give me? 12 minus 2, 10. 26. Yay. That gets a happy face. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. Ooh, look at this one. So first, parentheses. 4 times 3, 12 squared. Over 12 minus 9. Wait, what did we say? What is this? 144 over 12 minus 9. What do I do next? Divide. What do I get?
12.
Minus 9, 3. Oh, no. All right. I've gotten that all day. Every time I write a 3 today, people thought it was an 8. And I wrote a lot of 3s. Okay. Easy? Hard? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Don't worry. It'll get more challenging. Don't you worry. But it's nice when it's like this, right? Yeah. Okay. So here we go. 6 minus 2 squared is 4 over 8. Divided by 2 times 6. Okay, okay, so remember the fraction is a grouping symbol. I have to do that first. So 6 minus 4, 2 over 8. Correct. Divided by 2 times 6. So like we said, this is 1 over 4 divided by 2 times 6. Now look. I only have multiplication and division, so I gotta go left to right. So first, I'm gonna do 1 over 4 divided by 2. How much is that? How do I do that? Who said 1 over 8? How do we do that?
Because 1/4.
Uh-huh. So it's,
then you gotta like divide it.
yeah.
So yeah, 2 over 1, and then you multiply.
Yes, this is 1/4 times 1 over 2. Remember, you multiply by the reciprocal, so it is 1 over 8.
If we knew that, do we have to show the
No.
additional one?
No. So now, this one is 6 over 8, 3 over 4. Okay? So here I write it as 3 over 4, and then we fill it in. 3 over 4. What would it be? Oh, that's not a 4. What the heck am I? What would it be in decimal? 3 over 4. 0.75. So you could also write 0.75 if it doesn't specify. Okay? All right, should we do some more? I mean, the answer to that is yes. It wasn't really a question. Yeah, we should do some more. All right, let's do some more. We love math. Of course we love math. There's nothing better than math. If there wasn't math, imagine what I would do all day. Like, what would I do all day? Which is not, I mean, which I'm not, no, I don't want to do that. Because I found this good one already. Yeah. Okay. So here we go. Evaluate algebraic expressions. So to evaluate an algebraic expression, we have to replace the variables with their values. So take a look here. We have these expressions, but we're told R is 2, S is 3, T is 11. So let's put that in there. This is everybody's favorite, right? Yeah. Can you wait a little? Yeah. Okay. So here we go. T is 11. So this is 2 times 11 plus 3 times 2 divided by 4.
If I did the fraction, like if I did a line under the 2 times 11 plus 2 times 2, would you count it as wrong?
No, as long as you did it right. So this is 22 plus 6 divided by 4. 22 plus 6, what is that these days? 28 divided by 4? 7. Right? Fun. Okay. T squared. 11 squared plus 8 times S is 3 times T is 11 plus R squared. Yes. So this is 121 plus, now I do this. 8 times 3 is 24 times 11. Do you guys know how to multiply? Do you know how to multiply a 2-digit number by 11? Okay, I'll tell, yeah, you have a question. 2-digit. Okay, let me show you the 2-digit. Do you know? Tell me, what's 24 times 11? Tell me how. Okay, so look, 24 times 11, right? 24, 2 and 4. Inside, you add these two, 264. It's the best thing ever. Who taught you that? TikTok? Oh my God. That's awesome. I want to follow that person, right? Thank you. I will never forget. My 6th grade teacher taught me how to do that, and it was like my life had changed. And usually nobody knows.
I don't know how to do it.
Well, you would just add one to the other one. So, for example, if it's like 38, okay, it'll be 3 and 8. So then what'll this be? 11. So it'll be 1, 1. So 418. That's so cool because it's math. Yeah.
You do like 8 times 3 and then 8 times 11.
8 times 3 together is 24. That times 11.
Oh.
Yeah. 264. Yeah. Well, because 24 times 10 is 240. Plus another 24 is 264. I know, it's the last period of... Yeah. Yeah. And then all of this together is 389. Okay, yes. Oh, look. Yep.
I'm just curious about this, but is it, you can do, how do you do 3 numbers times 11?
So it's the same, except you just like keep adding. Let's do that a different time. Let me finish this and then we can do that a different time. Okay, so now RST. So R times S times T over S minus R. Okay, so this one too, RST. So look, this is 2 times 3, 6, times 11, 66, over, oh, this was 3 minus R, 1, so 66. Okay. All right, thank you. So here we go. R, 2, minus 2 times, what was T? 11 minus 3 squared. 2 minus 2 times 11 minus 3 is 8 squared. 2 minus 2 times 64. Now I multiply first, right? So negative 126. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, so now we got A minus. Okay, so look at this one. I have A is 4 minus B is negative 5. Whenever you have a negative number, you have to put it in parentheses. Right? So negative 5.
Oh yeah, because you can't start off with like minus, right?
Yeah. Times C is 0 plus negative 5 in parentheses squared. So now look, this is 4 minus, what's negative 5 times 0? 0. So what's 4 minus 0? 4. So it just stays a 4 plus, what's negative 5 squared? Positive or negative 25? Oh, positive 25. So this is 29. Okay? All right. C, 0 to the power of A divided by 4 times negative 5. What's 0 to the power of anything? 0.
And 0 divided by anything.
0 divided by anything is still 0, so this is all 0. Okay? So it's 0. Okay, now 3 times b. B in parentheses. Okay? Minus 2a squared. Negative 15 minus 2 times 16. Negative 15 minus 32. Negative 47. Okay, so now look at this one. 8 divided by a is 4. B, negative 5 over 5. So 8 divided by 4. I do this first because, I do that first because that's a grouping symbol. Here. How much does that give me? Negative 1. So 8 divided by negative 4, right? How much is that? Okay. So now how am I going to do this? So now I'm going to do left to right. So first I do 8 divided by 4. What do I get? 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Okay? And that's it. That's the lesson for today. So